What are you excited about in 2025? What's to come?
AGI.
Yeah.
Excited for that. What am I excited for?
OpenAI has just introduced Operator, a semi-autonomous AI agent that doesn't just answer your questions, it completes tasks for you. With an 87% success rate in live website navigation tests, Operator handles everything from booking reservations to managing shopping lists, all by mimicking human interactions online. In this video, we'll explore how Operator works, the groundbreaking technology behind it, and why it's already being tested by companies like Instacart and Priceline. And if you stick around, we'll also dive into its real-world applications, the industries it could transform, and the challenges it still faces. By the end, you'll have all the facts about this major leap in AI innovation. Let's get started. At its core, Operator is powered by OpenAI's computer-using agent (CUA) technology, which combines vision capabilities with advanced reinforcement learning. This means the AI can perceive, reason, and act on graphical user interfaces (GUIs) the same way humans interact with websites. But instead of just responding to commands, Operator takes actionable steps to complete tasks like filling out forms, making reservations, or managing shopping lists. Here's how it works.
We're going to launch our first agent. AI agents that can do work for you independently. You give them a task, and they go off and do it.
When you visit the dedicated website, operator.chatgpt.com, you're greeted with a familiar ChatGPT-like input box. Once you type in a request, like "Book me tickets for tonight's Laker game," Operator launches a virtual browser in the cloud. This browser is where all the action happens. You can see the cursor move, click, and type in real time as Operator navigates through the steps required to complete your task. The key innovation is its human-like interaction. Unlike automation tools that rely on APIs to interact with specific platforms, Operator uses screenshots and virtual mouse and keyboard actions. This allows it to navigate almost any website just like you would. Importantly, Operator asks for your input at critical moments, such as when payment information is required, ensuring user control over sensitive actions. Operator is built on a foundation of sophisticated AI technology. The driving force behind its capabilities is OpenAI's proprietary CUA technology, which enables the AI to interpret and interact with visual elements on a screen. By combining GPT-4o's vision capabilities with reinforcement learning, Operator can seamlessly navigate graphical user interfaces (GUIs), a task that has long been a challenge for AI systems. This advanced technology allows Operator to perform a wide range of functions, from browsing e-commerce platforms to handling repetitive workflows like creating playlists or organizing tasks. Unlike earlier systems that depended on custom integrations, Operator's ability to interact with visual interfaces directly opens up a wealth of new possibilities. To elevate its performance, OpenAI tested Operator on two major benchmarks. On Web Voyager, which measures live website navigation, Operator achieved an impressive 87% success rate. Similarly, on Web Arena, a benchmark that simulates real-world e-commerce and content management scenarios, it managed a 58.1% success rate, a remarkable feat given the complexity of these tasks. These benchmarks not only highlight Operator's capabilities, but also indicate areas for improvement, particularly in handling unfamiliar workflows or intricate interfaces. Another key aspect of Operator is its focus on safety and user control. The system is designed to pause and seek confirmation before executing sensitive actions, such as making payments or sending emails. Additionally, users have the ability to clear browsing data and opt out of sharing information for training purposes, addressing privacy concerns and ensuring a secure experience. What makes Operator truly exciting is its practical application in real-world scenarios. OpenAI has already partnered with several companies across various industries to test its capabilities, and the early results have been promising. By demonstrating its versatility in both personal and enterprise contexts, Operator is carving a niche as a tool that bridges the gap between AI innovation and everyday usability. For individual users, Operator simplifies tasks that often feel tedious or time-consuming. For instance, if you need to book a dinner reservation, Operator can seamlessly handle it through platforms like OpenTable. Reordering groceries becomes effortless as it navigates services like Instacart and DoorDash, completing your shopping with precision. Travel planning, which is often a stressful process, is streamlined as Operator integrates with services like Priceline to manage bookings, compare options, and organize itineraries, all without requiring manual effort from the user. Beyond personal convenience, the real power of Operator lies in its ability to revolutionize business workflows and customer experiences. Companies like Instacart and Etsy are testing how Operator can streamline order processing and enhance personalized shopping experiences, cutting down on operational inefficiencies.
The thing I'm personally most excited about, maybe of the whole AGI world, is that these models at some point are going to help us discover new science.
Priceline is leveraging Operator to make travel planning not only faster, but also more user-friendly by automating complex booking processes. Even public sector applications are being explored, like in the city of Stockton, where officials are evaluating how Operator can simplify civic engagement by making it easier for residents to enroll in public services and access essential resources. This broad applicability highlights Operator's ability to transform industries by automating repetitive tasks, allowing businesses and individuals to focus on higher value work. However, while its potential is immense, there are still limitations that define its current stage of development, which we'll explore further. As promising as Operator sounds, it's not without its hurdles. For starters, some websites actively block AI agents from accessing their platforms. Sites like Reddit are already off limits, and OpenAI has restricted Operator from using resource-intensive or competitor-owned sites like YouTube or Figma during this preview phase. This limits its usability in certain scenarios, which could be a deal breaker for some users. Operator also struggles with complex interfaces and workflows it hasn't encountered before. While its reinforcement learning allows it to adapt over time, these challenges highlight its current limitations and reliance on user feedback for improvement. Another potential barrier is the cost. At $200 per month, Operator is only available to ChatGPT Pro subscribers in the US. This high price point might deter casual users, especially when compared to emerging alternatives like ByteDance's UI TARS. Although not directly comparable, UI TARS is open source and could attract developers looking for cost-effective solutions. Lastly, Operator's reliance on cloud-based virtual browsing introduces latency and dependence on OpenAI's servers. While this design enhances accessibility, it may not always deliver the speed and responsiveness users expect. Operator is not just a step forward for OpenAI, but a significant leap in how we think about automation. The technology's ability to interact with graphical user interfaces, GUIs, without relying on specialized APIs, opens the door to endless possibilities. This is particularly impactful for web-based automation, where tasks still require manual input due to the lack of API integration. One of Operator's biggest strengths is its potential for automating repetitive tasks that consume valuable time in both personal and professional settings. Imagine automating mundane business processes like form filling, data entry, or report generation, tasks that are necessary but take up significant human resources. Operator can also enhance customer service workflows by navigating complex websites or interfaces on behalf of support teams, creating faster and more efficient resolutions. Accessibility is another area where Operator could make a huge difference. By handling complex websites, Operator could support users with disabilities, helping them navigate platforms that might otherwise be challenging. On the enterprise side, OpenAI plans to expand Operator's capabilities to team and enterprise accounts, which could make it a staple for businesses looking to improve workflows. Beyond that, OpenAI envisions a future where Operator becomes a core part of digital ecosystems, an active participant rather than a passive tool.
And so I think it makes more sense to talk about when we'll build systems that can do capability X or Y or Z, rather than, when we kind of like fuzzily cross this 1 mile marker. It's not like AGI is also not an ending. It's much more of it's closer to a beginning, but it's much more of a mile marker than either of those things.
With its ability to adapt and evolve through user feedback, Operator could redefine what's possible in AI-powered automation. The launch of Operator has sparked significant attention in the tech world. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman described it as the beginning of agents, marking a transformative moment in AI development. Similarly, OpenAI President Greg Brockman declared 2025 as the year of agents, underscoring their confidence in the technology. Social media platforms and online forums have been buzzing with reactions, ranging from excitement to skepticism. Analysts and users alike are dissecting Operator's potential to revolutionize personal and professional workflows, while competitors like ByteDance's UiTars are keeping a close watch. One notable aspect of OpenAI's strategy is its transparency about Operator's current limitations. By openly discussing its challenges, like navigating unfamiliar workflows or accessing restricted websites, OpenAI is building trust with its user base. They've also announced plans to release an API for the underlying computer using agent (CUA) technology, allowing developers to create custom agents tailored to specific needs. This openness could position Operator as a go-to platform for innovation in AI automation. Operator's viral potential is undeniable. Its ability to demonstrate human-like interactions with websites is captivating and highly shareable on platforms like YouTube and TikTok. Unique use cases, from booking concert tickets to managing intricate workflows, could draw millions of viewers eager to see this technology in action. Operator combines cutting-edge technology with real-world usability, setting a new standard for AI-powered automation. From simplifying daily tasks to revolutionizing business operations, its potential impact is hard to ignore. As OpenAI refines and expands its capabilities, Operator could redefine how we interact with digital ecosystems. What do you think about this new AI agent? Could Operator become a part of your life? If you've made it this far, let us know what you think in the comments section below. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.